In this video, we will have the opportunity to see where to download the UVIX software and how to install it on our PC. First of all, it will be necessary to go to the Camozzi website for the download. Open your browser and enter the link shop.camozzi.com at the top. Once you've accessed the website, navigate to the documentation section and choose the software option. On this page, you will find a comprehensive list of our configuration and diagnostic software for various products. For this particular task, you'll need the UVIX software. Locate the UVIX software option and click Download to proceed. Once the download process is complete, extract the compressed folder and navigate to the UVIX setup folder. Then run the installation file. Make sure that the program is installed in basic mode. The software is also available in the download section of the product pages that utilize it.